Hey, fatty! This is the cucumber, coconut water, and salt dry fasting routine. Let's begin. So cucumbers, coconut water, and salt dry fasting routine. The rules are this. Number 1, you must dry fast a minimum of 22 hours per day. That means no food or water. Okay, you can have showers and brush your teeth if you want, but don't fucking ingest anything. So 22 hours per day, that means you got at max a 2-hour feeding window to get in your cucumber and coconut water and your salt. Okay? Now, we're not limited to 22 hours. If you want to get fucking hardcore, you can try to do some 48s thrown in there. You might do lots of 22-hour fast and then throw in a 48 once a week. Okay? You can fucking do a 48 on every weekend or something. Push your fucking comfort zone, okay? Now the ranges of these ingredients. Cucumbers. You're allowed 0 to 2 kilos per day. Okay? 100 grams of cucumbers is approximately 150 milligrams of potassium. See, that's how we're making up the potassium. We're doing it with the coconut water and the cucumbers. Instead of snake juice. Okay, this is a no snake juice routine. So 0 to 2 kgs. Now 2 kgs is going to be what I would fucking eat. Most of you don't even eat close to that. 1 kg would be a lot of you, okay? So 2 kgs max. Max. Now, coconut water. 0 to 1 liter a day. Max 1 liter. That's what I would fucking drink would be a liter. So this is exactly when I've experimented with this, because I experiment with fucking every protocol I tell you. What I was doing was 2 kgs of cucumbers, 1 liter of coconut water, and I was doing about 2 teaspoons or 4,000 milligrams of salt, which we'll get to. Okay, so most of you women would probably be about half of all these, okay? So you dial it in. These are the maxes, just like with the fucking snake juice video. Okay, the max. Sodium via sodium chloride source. 0 to 4,000 milligrams a day. So that's going to be your salt. So to dumb this right down, how I do it is I take my cucumbers, I put them in a bowl. Okay, and then I get a little small bowl and I put my salt in that and I eat my cucumbers and dip them in salt. Okay? If you run out of salt, then you run out of fucking salt. You eat the rest of the cucumbers with no fucking salt. Okay, you're not going to just keep fucking hammering back salt. You don't need to overdo the salt. This is the fucking organic coconut water I use. Coco Libre. Okay, this stuff's good stuff. There's other ones, a lot of them are shit, but this is the one I use. So if you want to copy me, this is the one I use. The shit ain't cheap. This routine's not cheap, okay? Snake juice is still the most aggressive fucking way to cut fat. But this works very good, especially if you have maybe some kidney issues or health issues where it's hard to dial in the potassium and things like that. Or if you're detoxing like a motherfucker and you're having tough time not having nothing in your stomach, okay? And it works very good for tracking weight, and it also works good for getting water adapted. So you won't actually stash water as easy, I've seen with a lot of cases doing this, okay? Number 3, maximum 500 calories per day. 500, I got this number from this, because my max was 320 calories worth of cucumbers at 2 kgs, and 180 calories worth of coconut water, okay? So that added up to 500, but most of you, like I said, are going to be like half of this. The males might be closer to the top ends, but you're going to definitely be under 500. Now people are going to ask me, won't this stuff kick you out of ketosis? Dry fasting is extremely aggressive. If it kicks you out of ketosis, it's only temporary, maybe for a few hours. I could do this routine for days and days on end, eating that much fucking cucumber and drinking that much coconut water, and I'd be in ketosis on my strips 24/7. Now, it might have kicked me out for a few hours through the night, but by the morning came, I'd still be pissing ketones. So in the grand scheme of things, you're burning body fat like fucking crazy, but you have to dry fast. You can't drink fucking water during the day during this protocol. Now, if you wanted to, during the fucking window, you could have some fucking water if you want. And you can even put a little bit of salt in the water if you don't want to salt up the cucumbers, okay? That's it. It's that fucking simple. Coconut water, cucumber fucking dry fasting routine. Give it a try. The reason I came up with this routine in the first place was because when you get really lean and you want to fucking cut that last bit of weight, it's hard to sleep when you have your fight or flight hormones cranked up when you're on just the snake juice. So what this routine allowed me to do is get to sleep, because the sleep's very important just from having that volume in my stomach while keeping the fucking calories extremely low, plus getting in my sodium and potassium. It's all about sodium and fucking potassium, okay? This is about the best natural, completely natural way to get it in without using the snake juice, okay? So everyone have a great day. Give this a try. Stretch out the fucking dry fast as long as you can and get that fat in.